Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. I'm grateful to have you here. Today we are going to be going through a box that I don't see on YouTube very often, and it is called Decor at Your Door by Wilshire Collections. A little bit about Wilshire Collections. It's run and these products are curated by the lovely Stacy, and she has a shop on her website where you can purchase anything from printables, which are graphic designs that she's designed. You can print off at home and do crafts with them. She also has a very large presence on Facebook where you can craft with her live. She's an all-around DIY home decor kind of girl. And so that's what inspired her to do these boxes. And I love getting these boxes. They are quarterly and they are $79 for the quarter. I should say quarterly / seasonal, because sometimes she throws a seasonal one in there. So let's get into it. I'm excited to see what she sent this time. All right. And she wraps everything up so safely, I should say, because I've gotten 3 of her boxes already, and I've never received anything that was ever damaged or marked up. Let's hope this box is the same way. Let me get the packaging out of here. Okay, and the first item I see on top is this basket. I love the finish on this basket, and then look at inside. Oh, look, oh. Okay, so depending on how you want it, you can just set it right on top, or you can push it down a little in if you wanted to put a pumpkin in the center of here, or if you just wanted to use this basket all by itself and maybe put other items in. But I love the greenery. Greenery's expensive, so this is a really nice item to get. Well, that's off to a great start. Fantastic. She says, your fall decor at your door box is here, and it's all about those pumpkins. I designed the big sign just for these boxes. Ooh, that means there's a sign in here, yay. Which makes it one of a kind. I'm loving this sage green color for fall, and I hope you do too. Can't wait to see how you style your items. Enjoy and happy fall, Stacy. She always sends a nice little note with everything. She did give away one of the little secrets of them being a sign in here somewhere. All right, so what have I got here? Oh, I can always use more pumpkins. I love pumpkins. Fall is the time of year that I really do a lot of decorating. Let's see, what did she say? She's doing a lot of sage green. So this is probably the color that she's referring to. And if you look at how well they balance off of one another, it's quite lovely. Okay, next item. Oh, is this cute? I'll get it out for you. Hold on. Look at this little thing. Look at the texture on that. I love the pattern. Oh, so cute. And little squiggles on the top and felt leaves. And then the stem is actually a piece of stick, wood. But I love it, and it sits flat. See, yeah, you can see it here. And what I like about this color is that it's not bright orange. I don't do bright orange very often. It's a nice muted color, which does balance and play well with the sage color. So far, so good. So good. Okay. Oh, this is super cute. And it says, hello, fall. Well, what I really like about this is, as you can see, I've got buffalo check here on my table. My whole kitchen is this buffalo check pattern. Oh, I dig this. And speaking about my kitchen, I'm gonna just show you some of the pieces that I've gotten in one of her other boxes. Look at this guy. Is he not darling? When I pulled this out of the box, I think this was the spring summer box. I knew exactly where it was gonna go in my kitchen. And let's see, there was a few other pieces I pulled over here for you to see. super cute sign. You can't go wrong with little signs that you can place anywhere, either on a flat tray or even a tall tier tray. And then this is really cute little item that she also sent through. Just as a filler for on your tier trays, a little greenery. So this is why I love her boxes. They just meld with my decor pieces. All right, let's get back to the box. Okay. Oh, and this must be it. This has to be it. Yep, here it is. Here's the sign. That's the one that she designed. These are adorable pieces all together, or you could put them separately just about anywhere in your home. Let me move this box out of the way, because even layering these pieces like this, that's cute on one shelf. Or use this somewhere else with this, and you easily have a cute little 3-piece set here. You always decorate in 3s, never 2s. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this introduction to her box is something that might interest you. If it does, I'll have all the information linked down below. Now, I know that there was a wait list for her fall box, but I know if you sign up for the wait list, you'll get an email as soon as her Christmas and winter box comes through. So I hope this was of interest to you. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.